Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time here, welcome. My name is Leilani Besho, but I go by the name of Queen Leilani on all my socials. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take your time and just click that subscribe button so you can join the Leilani squad. And to all the Leilani squad, what it do, baby? Anyways guys, on today's video I'm doing unboxing. I bought some hair. I did open it already because I wanted to see if the hair is there. Trust issues, yeah. Anyways, let me not waste time. Let us get straight into this video. So as I said, it came in with this package. Inside it is the company bag, which is this one. I'm just looking that side just so I can see, because I'm shooting with my phone and using the back camera. And now this is for the thumbnail. Okay, this is the company. It is Supreme Hair South Africa. You can follow them on Instagram and just see what they sell. Let us see what's inside. Obviously it's hair, but I feel like there's more things, yeah, because it said it comes with a free installation kit, so I want to see that. So the hair comes in this plastic. Okay, let's start with the installation kit first, and then I will further explain what inch and whatnot. Oh, so it comes with a wig cap, and a lace wig bond tape remover, and it comes with an edge control gel, and then it comes with the hairband. You know, when you're installing. Oh, plus it has this thing. Oh, I like it. I'm just gonna put it here when I'm installing the hair. I like big ups. And then it comes with the ghost bond. I'm definitely gonna use this. I ran out. Now I have a bond hold, and then a wax stick. If you have installed by me, you'll know that I'm a big fan of these. So it comes with the wax stick as well. And yeah, that's the installation kit. And then now the hair, it says 100%. I hope you guys can see that. Let me try to zoom in. 100% human hair, and then at the bottom it says 20-inch. Natural color. Yeah, this is the natural color. So I spoke to the guy that sells the hair. He said it's a factory wig. It's not a wig that he did, it's a factory wig. So this is how a factory wig looks. It has this band here, obviously, to make sure that the wig stays nicely. It has one comb here. Usually these factory wigs come like this, with a very fine stitch. Yeah. And then it has one comb here as well. And then it is a full frontal wig, 13x4. The wig is nice. I love the texture, but I don't like the thinness of the hair. and it kind of looks like 18-inch. When I look at it, it looks like 18-inch. I don't know. So next time when I install this hair, when I do the installation, I'm gonna make sure that I buy an extra bundle just to fill in this thing, because I feel like they put 1.5 bundle and a closure. These factories are just playing with our suppliers. Trust, it's not even their fault. Our suppliers, it's not even their fault. It's the factory fault. But anyways, this was on sale. This was the Black Friday sale. So I figured, you know what, honey, give me some 20-inch. Give me some 20-inch because I want to look nice. I want to be snatched. Okay, I'll be snatched. I'm sure you guys are thinking, but girl, this hair looks like the one you have on right now. Don't judge me. But anyways, yeah. So when I install it, I'm gonna add some one bundle. I'm gonna buy one bundle from my supplier. Why am I calling him my supplier? From the company, I'm gonna buy one bundle and just add it here. So if I'm gonna link his details on my description box, so you can follow him on Instagram and then order the Black Friday special. I don't know it's gonna go on until when, but yeah, but his hair is reasonable, so call this guy, get your hair, honey, and do the things. Ngoba kuthiwe December siyafrantala. I did put on this hair, I did put it on and just felt it, how it looks on my skin. And let me tell you, let me try to do this. Lace is lacing, honey. Lace is lacing. So guys, this is the hair and I must say I love it, I love it, I love it. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you're still watching, what are you waiting for? And to my Lani squad, thank you so much for returning, but unfortunately I have come to the end of this video. I will see you guys on my next video, but for now, peace and love. Bye bye.